So what can we generalize about the infinite sum when we start with r is equal to 1 over x plus 1? So in this case here, we should have seen that when we started with r is 1 over x plus 1, so in this case x would be 4, we ended up with an infinite sum. So s is equal to 1 over 5 over 1 minus 1 over 5. So that ended up being 1 over 5 divided by 4 over 5s. The 5s cancel out and we ended up with 1 over 4. So what ends up happening is if we start with this 1/5 and use a common ratio of 1/5, we end up with an infinite sum of 1/4. And we can prove that here. So when we do this here, so S infinite sum should equal 1 over x. We end up with the same fraction but one smaller. Okay, so the fraction is actually going to be bigger, but the denominator is one smaller, or x. And we can prove this very easily by just substituting into the formula. If I have 1 over x plus 1 as my a value, and my r value is that same amount, 1 over x plus 1, I can simplify this. So I'm going to multiply the top and bottom. X plus 1 over x plus 1. When I simplify this, we end up with 1 on top, x plus 1 minus, these x plus 1's cancel out, so I end up with minus 1. So my expression is x plus 1 minus 1. That simplifies to 1 over x, so we will always end up with this result. So there's a proof.